Whoa.
Whoa. Again?
Blowing back in. Is he? Keep humming it. Come on, baby.
Woohoo! Come on, baby. Right.
She's running on Start You Bastards.
But she's running.
She's running, yeah.
Right.
Unbelievable.
We've got fuel coming up.
Huh?
We've got fuel coming up.
Oh, okay, so it's still
Fuel's
there.
pumping. So the bowl will be full soon. Righto.
Should have been full a while ago.
Great. Come on.
Again?
Yep. Righto.
Again?
Yep. Righto. Righto.
Go.
Again?
Yep.
Oh, go steady.
Just, yeah, just.
Go, baby! Oh, look at that smoke! Look at that! Isn't that fantastic? Get the smoke coming out the back though. Woohoo! Yeah! Hey! 2016! 2016! Epic!
Hey, it's not blowing smoke. It's only condensation. It's not even blowing smoke.
Yes, buddy!
It's not even blowing
No, it's
smoke.
true, it's not. It's not, yeah.
It's just condensation.
Yeah.
There's no smoke at all.
No.
You got 50 psi on there. You got 50 psi on the gauge.
Hasn't run since 88. Since 88.
That is awesome.
Been a long time.
Look how smooth and lively. One of the tablets is a bit lifted. It needs water. It needs water in it, but couple minutes.
That is an epic engine, mate.
Yeah, I know.
That is epic.
I wonder if Pam's there.
Righto.
Let's put her in drive, bro. You got to drive her in.
You said the first drive, Dave.
Oh. You're right. Wow, that was amazing.
It is amazing, isn't it? I'll just give Pam.
Straighten her up, bro. Oh. It's
Go to the 70s.
Yeah. Good nitro in it.
It's fun.
Fantastic. How you going there? You all right?
Smoking Joe's, mate. You can smell the bloody dust burning off it.
There you go, mate.
Oh, mate, you're a genius.
Those spotties look awesome. Who put them on there?
The what? The one on the spotties? Oh, no, they weren't.